Hey, what's up guys? So in front of me today I have the Fenvi 9260 AC PCIe Wi-Fi card comboed up with Bluetooth 5.0. So you have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, or so at least I thought this was that. Now, I purchased this not realizing that I actually just purchased the bare bones and not the actual Intel Wi-Fi card that this is supposed to come with. Or I shouldn't say supposed to, I purchased the wrong one. So let me just show you guys quickly. So this is the one I purchased right here for $12.91, and that's just with the bare bones, as you can see. Now the Wi-Fi card is an extra 18 bucks. You can purchase them together, which costs about $31.91, and that comes with the actual Wi-Fi card, as you see right here. And that's with Bluetooth 5.0 as well as the dual band Wi-Fi, which is A and C. So let's get back to the box. So, the Fenvi 9260 AC, this is what I thought I was getting when I first bought it. So you have right here the Bluetooth connection if you want to connect Bluetooth capabilities with this Wi-Fi card. You would connect that to the card and then to your motherboard. You have that, should have that port. Then you have the Fenvi. So I thought there was something inside of this, or honestly, I was kind of clueless. So I put this in my motherboard, I downloaded the correct drivers, hooked it all up, and I was so frustrated. I was like, why isn't this working? But then I realized that, okay, there was probably something missing here. So I opened this shell up. As you can see, I'm having a little bit of trouble getting this open now, but let's see here. There we go. So I opened this up, and alas, there was nothing inside of it. So I went back on the AliExpress page and I purchased the Wi-Fi card, which is right, let me see if I can find it. It should be here somewhere. There we go. Which is right here. I purchased it for an extra 18 bucks. It came with just the card and 2 screws. So officially this is supposed to go into here. And then you hook it up with the antennas, and then you plug that into your PC, you install the drivers, and then there you go, you have a Wi-Fi card with Bluetooth. So I haven't done that yet. I'm going to go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead, put that in there, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, so here we have the Wi-Fi card. There we go. Let's grab that. Let's go grab a screwdriver. I will be right back. Go ahead and grab that tiny little screw there. Let's screw that into the card. And we're set. Set in. Let's grab the cables here. So hopefully I got this right. I believe that this one goes into here, the first one. So let's snap that in. Okay, so we got the first one in. Let's go over to number 2. Okay, we got both of them snapped in nice and securely. I'm going to go and install this into my, let's put the cover back on. Screw that down. There we go. There we go. Now we're going to go ahead and install this. Before we install that though, I just want to show you guys what else comes in the box. So you also got these 2 antennas, which connect to the back. You just kind of rotate them on, and then you've got 2 antennas. So it comes with that. It comes with some paper, manual, and then it comes with what else? If you have a smaller PC case, it comes with a smaller bracket, so that it fits your smaller case. And it comes with some screws and this Bluetooth cable right here. Basically, this will allow you to get Bluetooth capability onto your from this device, because again, the Intel, what is it, the 9260 is a Bluetooth card. It's a Bluetooth 5.0 card as well, so it's Wi-Fi with Bluetooth. So this will give you that. I'm going to go ahead and install it now, and I guess I'll show you guys as I'm doing it. Alright, so we're now in my computer. I'm going to remove the old, let's go ahead and remove the old wireless card, which is right there, as you guys can see, to make room for the new one. Now before doing this, I forgot to mention, you got to download the later drivers. Otherwise, if you put in the new Wi-Fi card, you're not going to have the new drivers, so you won't be able to connect to the internet. So it's a very smart move to get the new drivers before you install. Don't install them, just download them to your computer so that when you have the new card in there, you can just go ahead and install that right away. And again, I apologize for the noise in the background. They're just redoing my roof. So yeah, it's going to go on for at least half a day. So let's remove the old Wi-Fi card, which wasn't very efficient. So I'm hoping that this card is a lot better, this new card that I got. Let's go ahead and remove these antennas first. You know what? Just remove that. There we go. We don't need to do that. Okay, so this is my old Wi-Fi card. It uses the same, it's the same idea, you know, you get the separate card, just install it in there, and that is a Model 533AN MMW. It's an Intel Wi-Fi card. It does not have Bluetooth like the new one that I have here. So let's put that on the side for now. Put that right there. We'll grab the new card, which is right here, and we'll install that. Okay, so that's in there, nice and secure. Now we're going to grab the cable so that we get Bluetooth capability. Before that, let's look at the manual, because the manual actually says how to do this. So as you can see, you got the cable, you just got to find that right port there. So, let's plug that into the card, just like so. Before we do that, so I don't forget, let's go ahead and screw that in. Don't want to forget that. It's in there. Let's get the main bracket on there too as well. Sometimes I do forget to put that back on as I'm playing around with my desktop, so don't forget. And we got these thumb screws right here that secures that bracket. Now before we continue, I'm just gonna have a bite of this banana, if you guys don't mind. Okay, let's put that on the side for now. So we got this now, we just have to find that port. So as you can see, I plugged it in right there. I could have technically plugged it in there as well, but there was another one here. So yeah, it goes in right there. And that's nice and secure in there. So we can move on and turn this PC on and then test everything out and make sure it works. So let's go ahead and do that. So as I'm connecting these antennas, I wanted to mention quickly that this card is not supported by AMD chipsets, nor is it supported with Windows 7, 8, or Windows 8.1. So essentially this card is only compatible with Windows 10 and with Intel chipsets. So remember that. So both the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi drivers have now been installed. I've restarted my PC, and as you can see on the quick menu, you can see the Bluetooth icon that's now there. Before it wasn't there because I did not have Bluetooth, but now this desktop of mine has Bluetooth, and best of all, it has Bluetooth 5.0, which is currently the latest version of Bluetooth out there today. Now here's a speed test being done. Obviously I am being limited by my ISP, because this is definitely not the maximum that I can get with this card. I can get a lot more than, what is it? I think it came out to 96 megabits per second. I can definitely do much more than that. So the maximum amount that this card can do, or what this card is rated for, is 1.6 gigabits per second. But I'm definitely not going to get that because, again, I am limited by my ISP. So anyway, that's pretty much it. Everything else works. The Bluetooth works. Wi-Fi works, as you guys can see. And I'm going to update you guys in a few weeks from now, let you know how the Bluetooth functions. But this is a 5-star card. If you just go on AliExpress and check out the ratings, you'll see that this is pretty highly rated. Well, anyway, that's been it. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Later.